The parrot saw a snake in its nest. He disturbed it so the snake would leave. But what happened was that the venom came out of it. But the parrot still didn't give up, so the parrot just took the wood and broke it. When the parrot finished breaking it, he immediately returned to his nest and threw the wood down until the snake left. Because the snake couldn't handle what the parrot did anymore. When the wood fell on him, the snake just left the parrot's nest. When the snake left, the parrot looked at its nest to see if it was still there. The snake has gone away. The parrot just laughed.